Is your Siri Search not working on your iPhone 8 Plus? Don't worry. I'll show you how to fix the Siri Search not working issue on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the action. Before doing anything, ensure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is enabled. After that, take out your phone cover and clean your microphone. Make sure that Listen for Hey Siri is turned on. Turn off low power mode. After that, follow the troubleshooting guidelines. Solution 1. Force restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor software glitches. Press the volume up and down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Solution 2. Turn on Siri suggestions for the app. If you turned off Show App in Search and Show on Home Screen before, then now you have to turn on these settings. To do that, open Settings, scroll down, tap Siri and Search, scroll down again, find the app you turned off these settings before. Suppose I turned off Show App in Search and Show on Home Screen for photos. Now tap on the photos. Now toggle on Show App in Search and Show on Home Screen. And that's it. Now see whether it's solved or not. Then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Change your Siri language. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Siri and Search. Make sure that you listen for Hey Siri and press Hold for Hey Siri is toggled on. After that, tap Language. Now choose your language to set. Suppose I'm choosing English, United Kingdom. Tap English, United Kingdom. Now go back and check your language whether it is switched or not. Solution 4. Check for dictation restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap Allowed Apps. Make sure Siri and dictation is allowed. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Before moving on, make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is in. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see software update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. Make sure that by resetting all settings, your settings will be set to default, so make sure to remember your password. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved. Hopefully, you found this video helpful. If you did, then double like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.